Hey, and welcome back. We're going north today to Lido Key inlet.
Maybe we'll see a special little place.
Yeah, we're going to drive by a house that is rumored to be Tom Cruise's mansion. This thing is gigantic. We'll take a ride by it. Maybe he'll be out.
Maybe
not.
yeah.
I doubt it.
In his Mission Impossible boat.
Yes, exactly. But on the way, we'll see some houses. It'll take us a little while to get there. It's not really far from our marina, but it'll take us a little bit. So, welcome back and enjoy. All these houses here are really small, but they're nice. They're very nice houses. One is for sale over there. That one I think is $1.5 million, but not exactly sure on that. Lots of condos going this way. It's supposed to be 1 foot seas today. What I saw on the weather forecast for boating, which is really good. Not too many boats out today. Oh, look at this house over here. It's getting a facelift or something. It's got tarps on it, and looks like they're redoing something here. I don't think that was damaged in hurricanes of last year, but it's very possible that it was, and we just didn't notice it. There's a dog with a pup on it. You see a lot of dogs on boats, but we're not too comfortable bringing ours on the boat. He's never been on one. He's not old, but he's middle-aged, I guess, if you want to say that. And we don't know how he would react. So we just don't want to do that. Maybe if we had a puppy, we would potentially do it, but I don't know. Another thing to worry about, I guess. This condo here on the left, we've seen the inside of it. Kind of nice, great location. Not really updated, but not bad if you're just doing like a week stay here. On the starboard side here is the entrance to Philippi Creek. There's a Philippi Creek oyster bar there that we're hoping to visit soon. At hopefully a dock and dine. We'll see. I'm not sure when exactly we're going to go, but we shall be there soon. Staple here in Siesta Key, the tour boats. See quite a few of those every time we're out for the tourist tour around. We're approaching Sarasota Bay, downtown Sarasota skyline. Might be able to see it, I'm not sure. This is still pretty far away, but we're coming up on it. Going under a bridge here. Somebody fishing too. The views here are really spectacular. Not many people out today. Kind of surprised. Sunday, but I'm so surprised that not many people are out. That's a really nice one. Nice modern type looking home. Looks like 2 lifts. They're all nice here though. And there's this little one that's for sale. I wonder what they're asking for that one. I don't know. I'm not sure. But everything is big money here. And there's your John Mellencamp little pink house. There's just a bike in the middle of there. Ah, there's a person. Okay. Didn't see the person at first, but that house is really nice. Lots of palm trees. Still in the process of building it, but looks like it's going to be a really nice one. Really splashing up. Okay, supposedly this is Tom Cruise's house. Legend has it. Not sure if it's just rumors or if it's true or not, but supposedly Tom Cruise owns this house. We are really just around the corner here into the Lido Inlet, and you're out in the Gulf. But massive house here. Looks like an office building, but they have their own, it looks like, boat ramps on it. But that's it. Here's one more look at allegedly Tom Cruise's house. On the other side, sandbar. Maybe he's over there. So we anchored up at Lido Key. It's a little seaweedy, but not too bad. But very nice, not crowded at all. There's a bunch of other boats here, but I mean, really maybe a half a dozen or only 10 of them. So everything is really nice today. It's not super hot. It's supposed to get hot, but right now it's not. So all good. So this is Lido Key. We're pretty far on the edge of it. The public beach is straight ahead. This has got a lot of mangroves and some seaweed, like I mentioned before. But it's nice. And this is a really popular area. I'm surprised why. I'm surprised that there's not many boats here today. I don't know, maybe because it's a Sunday, maybe not, I'm not sure. But it's nice being by yourself. Doesn't happen too often. This is what I gotta get as an umbrella for sitting here. We don't have one. I would like one. Got a bench here. Getting a little more crowded down as we go towards the public side. Not that we're in the private side, but there's parking lots over there, whatnot, so I'll just turn around. The water is super warm today. I didn't see what the boat said it was, but it's probably 90 plus degrees here. We're going to try to get a drone here and maybe get some drone footage sometime soon. But we'll see. The pontoon. There's our boat. There's everybody. Salty Beach Mom and our daughter. She's our oldest. What?
I didn't think you were gonna leave me.
Yeah. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the ride out to Lido Key and maybe seeing celebrity Tom Cruise's house. Who knows? We had fun today at the empty beach, and we'll be back there soon, I'm sure. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Have a good one.